Hello everyone, today is April 19th, 2026 and we'll be doing the chart analysis of US oil and major indices in the US. So starting with US oil, on Friday it showed a sharp drop from 90 to almost 80 levels. Okay, it fell quite sharply and then reversed a little bit of the move, so it closed around this area. Okay, now this is where we have a support zone. So this is your one support here, a little bit of support here, a little bit of support in this area. So I'm just drawing a support zone over here. Okay, so on Monday, considering the current US-Iran tensions, I think that oil can show a little bit of a bounce here. How much, I don't know, depending on the war situation. So if they decide to violate the ceasefire or stop the ceasefire or preempt it, or maybe don't want to extend it, so from Tuesday, Wednesday onwards, I think oil will start climbing when both the sides take aggressive positions against each other. So that is one scenario. And looking at the current statements from both the sides, I totally believe that oil is going up in the short run. So let us see. Talking about SPX. So SPX is in a parallel channel since 2020. So it's a 6-year-old channel. So here you can see that this is what the parallel channel looks like. Okay. So starting from 2020 COVID lows, we have it in this channel, bouncing on and off at the upper and the lower end of the channels. Okay, right now, the price is at the upper end of the channel and most likely it is going down. It is going to reverse the direction on Monday. So if the oil climbs pretty sharply, then in that case, we'll be looking at some downside in SPX. When we talk about downside, the first level of support would be around 7,000. The second level of support would be around 6,800 approximately. And then we will see and evaluate the situation, what it looks like. The third support could be around this gap area around 6,600 approximately. And the fourth could be around 6,521. Okay. So that is what it looks like on SPX. Most likely it is reversing direction. So I have taken a bearish position on SPX by buying SH, which is an inverse ETF of SPY. Okay, talking about Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is a little bit far away from the top, like almost 400, 500 points from the top. Okay, so I don't think it may reach the top. Maybe it will just reverse the direction from here along with SPX. Okay, talking about Dow Jones. Dow Jones is just about the same. It has some way to go to the top, but most likely it will reverse the direction from this point and just continue downwards. Now talking about Russel. Let us talk about IWM. Okay, so this is the Russel index. Okay, index ETF. Okay, so here you can see this is the overall chart, and we have this parallel channel since 2000. Okay, and then it has reached the top end of the channel over here, and most likely it is going to reverse from here. How far it can go, we cannot predict, but depending on the current global situation, I think it is headed downwards. So that is my analysis on the major stock indices in the US and US oil, the crude oil. Okay. So if you like this analysis, do press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And feel free to share it with your friends and family so that they are in the know. Thank you.